Welcome food lovers! My name is Joy and today you will make a simple yet delicious chicken sandwich. Watch until the end of this video for some tips and tricks. I marinate my chicken for 1 to 2 hours for extra flavor, so let's start with marinating the chicken. First, prepare the ingredients. Thinly cut of 17 ounces of chicken breast, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1½ tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 5 garlic cloves, thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1½ cup of celery stalk, finely cut, 1½ cup of parsley, lightly chopped. In a big glass bowl, combine the lemon juice, salt, pepper, oregano, garlic, celery, and parsley. Mix all the ingredients with your hands. Add the chicken one by one into the bowl and mix well. Wrap the bowl with plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. The next step involves cooking the chicken. Turn the stove on medium heat. Add 1/4 cup of cooking oil to a 12-inch shallow casserole. Add the chicken and cook it until brown on both sides. Now, for the final step, let's prepare the bread rolls by cutting them in half. Spread the mayonnaise on the bottom bread layer. Add 2 pickle slices, 2 lettuce leaves, a piece of chicken. Spread mayonnaise on the inside of the bread and place it on the top. I have the tip to guarantee the success of your chicken sandwich. Tip number 1. Don't overcook your chicken, otherwise it will become dry and hard to chew. Tip number 2. Fresh herbs are better for marinating the chicken. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then please give the old thumbs up. Watch my video on making chicken adobo with Sprite and pineapple. It's a guaranteed success for friends and family. Thanks for watching.